Go. Hello everyone, welcome to our live Q&A session, where we answer all the gathered questions about your cleaning concern. I am Patrick and I'll be your host today. Joining me is our expert and operations supervisor, Miss July, who will be sharing her professional cleaning insight. Hello, Miss July.
Hello everyone, I'm Jelaya, your operations supervisor here in Spruce Cleaning Services.
Before we get started, we have an exciting raffle giveaways at the end of the slide. Stay with us until the end of this. Like the new green, bundle Spruce Home products and concepts, Spruce Red Light Clean. Pwede kang humingi
Ay, hindi. Mamaganda doon kapag ito dapat ng light. Sisigaw na kami ng power up. Tapos hindi ba, magpapakita na
Ay,
tayo.
oo, hindi mo sinasabi sa kanya.
Di ba, pag sumigaw na kami ng parang sa power up, Spruce, lalabas tayo. Di ba na tayo? Siyempre, dapat na highlights din yung mga behind the scene.
Parang, di ba parang, kita mo yung mga movie, parang pinakita yung mga movie. Parang, pwede yung
Ay, oo. Uy, bakit siya lang? Hindi pa tapos na.
Ay, ko kasi, wala ka nakikita ka natin, yung point lang yung kunin mo, tapos tagal mo na ito. Makakalang beauty queen yan.
Beauty queen ang hanap, may iinom na ako.
Hello, ma'am.
Uy, gawin ng malamig hanggang mamayang gabi.
Sinasabi ko sa'yo, pag nawalan kayo ng boses, dalawa.
Magsasalabat ako.
Hello everyone, welcome to our live Q&A session. We will answer all the questions regarding your
In 1, 2, 3.
Hello everyone, welcome to our live Q&A session. We will answer all the questions regarding your cleaning concerns. I am Patrick at ako ang inyong host sa araw na ito. Joining me is our expert and operations supervisor, Miss July, who will be sharing her professional cleaning insight. Hello, Miss July.
Hi everyone, I'm July, your operations supervisor here in Spruce Cleaning Services.
Before we get started, we have an exciting raffle giveaways at the end of the slide. Stay tuned at maaari kayo manalo ng Spruce Home Bundles. Tapos igagano natin yung one session of Spruce Regular Cleaning Service. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? I-comment na ang inyong mga katanungan at sasagutin natin yan ngayon. So, ang unang katanungan ay, how can you guarantee your services?
Tignan lang, wait lang. Parang biglang tanong.
So, anong sagot natin sa
Diba sabi niya?
Let's start.
So now, let's start. So, our first question na.
So now, linaw lang po lang. So now,
Or kaya man, ayan, may tanong na tayo.
So now, let's start. The first question is, how can you guarantee your services?
Dito sa Spruce Cleaning, meron tayo tinatawag na 24 hours after cleaning. Kung saan, doon sa within 24 hours, pwede nyo isend sa amin yung mga na-miss na area kung meron pa, para at least mabalitan po natin agad.
For Mr. Patrick Garcia, this question is, what order of